everybody, Haley here to show you how to do this. I'll start by showing you all the supplies you're gonna need.
We're basically going to spin and burn steel wool, and we're gonna create art.
And then I'll walk you through a few of the best practices, safety concerns.
Do not hold the battery in the same hand.
And some settings you're gonna need to know about when you go out.
10, 15.
This week's thing is gonna take less than $30 and about 2 hours to accomplish. First, supplies. Here's what you're gonna need. Steel wool, quadruple zero works best, a whisk, a 9-volt battery, some kind of cord for spinning, and protective gear. That includes eyewear, gloves, hat, clothes you can ruin, or that are flame retardant. Here's how it works. Fluff up the steel so there's more access to oxygen for the reaction, and stuff it in the whisk and fluff it out a little bit more. To start the reaction and get it burning, you simply touch the 9-volt battery to the wool, kind of rub it in several places to really get it going, and then you're ready to spin it. But first, let's talk safety. This thing is gonna be really, really hot, about 700 degrees. So beyond protecting yourself and anyone helping, you need to choose a location wisely. Something with water and concrete maybe. If you're in your own backyard, know that these sparks can fly 20 meters away from you. So make sure it's not too dry, or maybe just do it after a rain, and always be vigilant.
Put out a fire on the hillside.
Okay, go for it. Oh shoot.
Right there. What was that? Was that a fire?
Yep. You scared the hell out of me, man.
Now for getting the shot. Dusk and night shots are gonna give you a totally different feel. So you might wanna start early and get some sky color before your true night shots begin. Definitely use a tripod since you're gonna be taking longer exposures and stillness is key. If you're trying to get someone in the photo, they also have to be very still. Note my face here. For what settings to use on a DSLR, we used exposures over 1 second. This shot on the bridge here was 30 seconds. And you don't actually have to have a DSLR to do this. For example, we shot this video with the GoPro Hero 4 and it yielded photos like these. And if you want a detailed walkthrough of how to get the settings right on your GoPro to do this, you can link to Rob's video right here and I'll take you through step by step. One thing I haven't mentioned is how fun this is. Not only do you get to play with fire, but you can be super creative with these shots. Are you in a tight space? What props are you using? What story are you telling? The sky's the limit on these, and I must admit it gets pretty addictive. You want to try more and more ideas out, and you don't want to stop. And when you try this and you get some epic spinning steel wool shots, please send them our way. We love to see your creativity. We always check the comments. And of course, a special shout out to all of our patrons who are responsible for helping us give you the next of the 52 things for you to try every single week to up your videos and photos. Finally, we've done this in different forms before. So check out this video we did on the GoPro channel, specifically how to do video and photos all shot on the GoPro. And I think you'll like it. All right, see you next Tuesday.